Now, if you're watching this, there's a good chance that you're tired. You've probably spent the last 8 or 9 hours at your day job, you just finished dealing with everyday life responsibilities, and you're looking at the clock wondering how you're supposed to build a side business when you only have 1 hour left before bed. You see, a lot of the advice that you see online about KDP tells you that you need to dedicate a couple hours every single day. They say that you need to design every single page from scratch, create hundreds of books by hand, and once you upload, the sales will just come in. But let's be honest, if you try to do that after a long day of work, you're gonna burn out within 2 weeks. You don't have the time to be a full-time graphic designer and a full-time publisher. If you only have 1 hour a day, you can't waste it doing the heavy lifting yourself. You have to let AI do the tedious work for you. By using AI tools now at our disposal, you can do most of the creation process in just a few minutes. That frees up your energy for the only thing that actually brings in sales. Finding the exact spots on Amazon where people are trying to buy books but can't find anything good. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, if you only had 60 minutes in a day to do KDP work, the first thing that you would want to do is go on Amazon and start making searches. But I know how difficult that can be. So what I typically do, especially when I first started, is I use this website called Creative Fabrica, and they have a section here under images where you can search KDP interiors. And this is what I used to do and actually still do today to look for ideas for niches, because you can just go through all of these interiors. Look, ADHD planner, so that's one potential niche. Teen life skills challenge book, blank recipe book, business workbook, road trip, ADHD, prayer journal. And so you're gonna come up with a lot of ideas just from here. This is my little hack that I do. Whenever I don't know where to start, I go to this website, Creative Fabrica, and I do my research here. Look at this, vehicle maintenance logbook. So if we actually make a search for vehicle maintenance logbook, I filtered it by KDP interiors, and right here, 127 results. And you can see that there are people that create these interiors for people like you and me that want to be able to create KDP books around this niche. So now we can actually take that niche into Amazon. So I did a search for vehicle maintenance logbook. Right away, we see total results 735. And typically I like to look for search results of about 1,000 or less, which just basically means it's not going to be too competitive and there's going to be a chance to actually get my book seen. So this is really in that sweet spot. We see here from Titan's Quick View, niche score 81. And what I typically look for right here is at least a niche score of 50. So 81 is actually really high. And then right here, Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 7 and opportunity is a 9. So everything is actually looking pretty good here. And even when I look at the average bestsellers rank, 344,000 on average for these books that are showing up on the first page. Now, if you notice with the books, the top 2 books in this niche are independently published books, which means they're KDP books. And that is really good to see. They are both bestsellers, and as you can see, $1,000 per month in royalties for this book, and this one closer to $1,500 per month. You even have book in the number 5 ranking right here, making close to $1,300 per month in royalties, also with that bestseller badge. So this niche is in high demand, we already know that, and even another bestseller right here, almost $1,300 per month in royalties, also just a KDP book. These are very simple books, definitely a great niche to get started in. And if we look at the interior, nothing too complicated, vehicle information and all of the info for that, as well as a place here for a photo of the car, and then just a standard logbook type of interior. This one right here, other maintenance and repairs log. And this book does surprisingly well because this is an evergreen type of book, which means that this is going to sell year round. And also this is the type of book that people actually need, whether they like it or not. So they're going to make searches for this vehicle maintenance logbook, and it's always going to be in demand. Now, I will say that these interiors are pretty basic, also pretty bland. There is a way for us to actually make this even better, which means that we can actually outdo the competition and hopefully try to get some of their sales. All right, so now that we have a solid niche and we know exactly what keywords people are typing into Amazon, the direction is clear, but the clock is ticking and 1 hour is running down. And normally this is where people get stuck for days trying to draw templates or figure out how certain design software works. We're not going to do any of that. We're going to use AI tools right now to generate a clean, detailed interior and cover that stands out on the search page, and all in a fraction of the time. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, so this is the AI tool that's going to make everything super easy, super fast, and also super customized. Now, this AI tool is called Techo Royalty, and this is perfect for low content books like diaries, journals, planners, trackers. So for our niche today, the vehicle maintenance logbook fits perfectly inside of this tool. Now, we're going to focus right here on the AI book feature. Now here, there are a couple options, but we're focusing on the AI plan. And so in here, we're just going to describe the book. So there is a example right here. So basically marathon training journal. So for us, vehicle maintenance logbook, and then the sections that we want in it. So for this, we're going to use another AI tool, and I'm going to use Gemini. So I'm just going to write it out here. Creating a book for Amazon KDP, specifically a vehicle maintenance logbook. I need specific sections inside of this logbook, also sections that most people wouldn't think of that could add even more value to this book compared to the generic logbooks that I see on Amazon KDP. All right, so let's go ahead and see what it says. The essentials, so vehicle profile page, master maintenance log, repair trackers, and then visual modification upgrades tracker, a cosmetic and detailing log, DIY torques and fluid capacities, quick reference. Okay, so this looks all good. Now, what I need is basically a copy and paste version. All right, so here is the list right here. Let's go ahead and copy this, take it back into Techo. And so here, let's type in vehicle maintenance logbook. Let's put in our sections there. That's all done. I want 120 pages, and I want to click right here where it says all fresh AI pages. Never use stock catalog templates. So I want everything unique. I don't want anyone copying me. So here we go. And I don't want to use things that other people could be using. And then the section here for the model, you can use fast or quality. I'm just going to keep it to fast for purposes of this video. There's also one more section here for content level, structural, or content rich. Now this one is going to be basically a logbook, like a blank tracker. So we're going to choose this, but you can also play around with this. If you're going to create a book that is more content rich, you could go ahead and play around with this. So let's keep it to structural. And it's going to take a couple minutes to actually plan this out. You can see it in real time what Techo Royalty is actually doing. And as you can see, it's already created the sections here and actually only took like 2 seconds. So at this point, I'm just going to look through it. So vehicle profile, quick reference, warranty registration, storage checklists, master maintenance log, unexpected repairs, cosmetic care log, upgrades and mods, watch list and inspections, annual summaries, notes and sketch pads. And then within these sections, there are pages that I can go ahead and modify how many pages I want. Also can drag and drop these so I can kind of rearrange the sections, but I kind of like it how it is right here. And that's done. This was all done with AI. You can also replan this if this is not what you're looking for. So for this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and click build 120 pages. Now this one is going to take a few minutes. It's going to generate every single template from scratch. And so AI does need some time to actually work that, but you can see right here the status and exactly where it is in the process. So the first one, generating templates for vehicle profile, it's just going to go through all the templates, but I will come back to you once this is all complete. Okay, so now it's done, and it only took about 5 minutes to complete all of these templates. And so right here, it says replace current pages with the new 120 page book. Press OK. And then there it is. So here's the first page, vehicle profile, second page, vehicle profile for 2 cars, and then vehicle reference and contacts with the VIN. Let me zoom in a little bit here. Another page for vehicle reference and contacts. If we go to page 5, warranty and recall log, and it already put in all of this information for me. I didn't do any of this whatsoever, but if I wanted to go ahead and move stuff around, I can definitely do that. If I want to change certain things, we can change things around, make edits. That's completely doable. Here's the next template. It's a checklist, and you can see everything is already done and completed. Let's move on to the next section here, the maintenance log. And there's a lot of pages of this. So let's go on to the next template, which is this one, repair log. So there's quite a few pages of the repair log. And then the next part is this one right here, modifications and upgrades. We also have this one right here, the vehicle expense summary. And if we go down right here, diagnostic and routing sketchpad. And as you can see, this is a full comprehensive logbook and adds way more features and way more value to a standard vehicle maintenance logbook because this offers a lot more things. And this was made in just about 5 minutes. And it was made possible because of this AI tool and just because of AI in general. And so if I wanted to export this, I can go ahead and export as a single PDF. Also other options here like PNGs, PowerPoint, or SVGs. But if you want to go from Techo Royalty straight to KDP, you can choose single PDF. It's going to export all those pages. And here's the PDF version of this interior. And also one great thing about this tool is right here, you can do listing mockups. And so I'm just going to do desk here and a mechanic shop. So let's go ahead and generate the 2 mockups. But these are going to be perfect for Etsy listings, Gumroad shop listings, even A+ content. You can put these images in there. Now, as we wait for this to render, if you want to try out this tool, I'll leave a link to this in the description down below. But as you can see, here's one right here. Looks pretty nice. Vehicle expenses summary. So an interior of the book ready to be downloaded. And you can also generate book covers here. So I put in the title, vehicle maintenance logbook, author, book type. I just typed it in again. And custom style, I did mechanic shop with the theme classic. There's a bunch here to choose from. Now hit generate, and it's going to generate 3 book covers here, which means that there is no design work for you or me. If we don't want to, we can basically let AI create the cover for us. And then there you go, vehicle maintenance logbook. This one actually looks really good. So let me go ahead and download these. And so here's that first one. This one actually looks really good. I would probably just go with this one. The next one is cut off right here, so that's no good. And same with this. But this one actually looks really, really nice. This is a perfect way to create covers. Now, even though this video is focused on KDP, you don't actually have to put all your eggs in one basket. Because you used a tool to generate these digital files in minutes, you actually have a physical asset that you can sell in multiple places. So if you want to stretch that 1 hour a day even further, here are a few other options that you can consider. Now, the first one is back at Creative Fabrica, where you can upload your interiors on this platform, and whenever someone downloads it, you can get paid. The next place that you can actually sell your interiors is here on Etsy as digital products or digital files. And you can see right here, they're selling for $5. This is a digital download. So there is no overhead, there is no printing. They're just gonna buy it for those digital files. And a lot of people actually do this. Etsy is a very popular place. And so you can definitely try this. You can upload your interiors here, set a price, and you can get people to actually buy your digital files. Now, the next one is called Gumroad, similar to Etsy. However, I believe you get to keep more of your profit here. So as you can see, I typed the same thing, vehicle maintenance. This is another great way to sell digital files. And this is something that I actually use on my own channel, is my Gumroad shop. Now, I make most of my things free, but you can put a price on these if you want it. And people do actually purchase these digital files. Now, another platform is called Teachers Pay Teachers. This is getting pretty popular. So I just searched for vehicle maintenance, and within the high school grades for certain classes, this can actually be pretty useful. So essential vehicle maintenance lesson pack, $4.50. These are digital downloads. People will actually print these and put it all together. Here's another one right here, vehicle maintenance worksheet for a class. So here is another great platform to try if you want to try something else other than Amazon KDP. And at the end of the day, building a real income with low content books in just 1 hour a day is completely doable, but it only works if you stop trying to do everything manually. If you want to use the exact AI tool I used in this video to build these planners and interiors quickly, it's called Techo Royalty, and I've left a link for it down in the description below. Just a quick heads up on how it works. You can absolutely get started with the base version just to test the waters out and try it out. But if you want access to all the specific automated features and AI generation modules that I showed you today, you'll need to upgrade that base version to the elite tier. And if you want a full breakdown on the entire self-publishing process from niche research to keyword strategy, make sure to grab my free guide, the KDP Royalty Roadmap, also linked down below. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.